What is up, Bella Gang? I am back as always, super excited to be back, okay, because y'all know my schedule is inconsistent, but I'm working on that. So today I'm just coming with a super quick video. It's a two-part video. It is a hair review, as you can see from the title. This is a new company, so like I said, it's gonna be a two-part video. So the first part is just gonna be me basically doing an unboxing and giving you my very first initial thoughts on the product, and then the second part of the video I will go ahead and it'll be after I've made the wig, installed it, and worn it, of course, and can give you like my full final thoughts about this company. So like I was saying, it's a new company. It's called Beyani Doll. I believe that's how you say it. I could be wrong. Like I said, it's a new company. I don't think I've really seen any reviews on it, but I also haven't looked. But it's not like one of the more popular companies, so I'm super excited to try it. Maybe I found a new gem. So yeah, so this is basically, of course I did open the box that it came in, okay? But so this is how the hair comes. I think this is super cute. I don't know about y'all, but I'm all about packaging. I have seen other companies use the silk drawstring bags, but I think this is super cute. Okay, so obviously their colors are this pretty sky blue and black. I love that they have their name on the bag, but what I really love is these little tassels. How cute is that? I'll be honest, I haven't seen any other company with the little tassels. I know it's a small detail, but I think it does make them stand out, so I think that's pretty dope. So I did get a frontal and 3 bundles. So just taking it out the bag. And I believe I got their curly hair. I'm not sure exactly. I have to look it up. I know I got their curly hair. I think I got the Brazilian wavy, I think, but I'll put the description in the, I'll put the information in the description box below. So the frontal is a 13 by 4, 14 inch. I do wish that I got a 13 like by 6. 13 by 4, that's not a lot of room to work with, but I think you can get away with it more with curly hair, because usually you're just doing like a flip over or maybe a high bun or just wearing it. So I think with curly hair you actually can get away with it not being as wide, because at least for me, I don't wear parts usually when I do curly hair, so it's not that big of a deal for me. If it was body wave or straight, I would definitely want more width on the frontal. So I have an 18 inch, okay, well, so that's the first thing that throws me off. On this one, there is no sticker to tell me how many inches it is. Small, but hey, like I said, we're doing an initial thoughts and review on this company. I'm gonna give them my honest review, and any little thing that I think they can do to improve, I'm gonna let them know. I'm gonna let y'all know. And then the other one is a size 16. So yeah, I really don't understand why I wouldn't have a sticker on this bundle to tell me what it is. I'm gonna assume more than likely I have an 18 inch, a 16 inch, and a 16 inch. And then my frontal is a 14 inch. So the bundles come regular in a little bag. So this is the 18 inch. That don't look 18 inches to me, but it could be because it's curly. I will definitely say it definitely has a lot of brown in it, like the ends. I don't know if you probably can't see it. Maybe hopefully the camera will pick it up, but it's definitely very brown at the end. And I know hair comes in like, you know, its natural state, but this almost looks like it's highlighted at the bottom. Like, no lie, it almost looks like it's legit has highlights at the bottom. Like, can you guys see that? Is it just me, or do you see that? Like, it looks like it has highlights at the bottom. I don't know. Anyways, the bundles are nice and thick. Y'all, I really don't think this is 18 inches though. This one looks longer. That looks like 16 inches to me. So let me pull out. Okay, so this is a 16 inch bundle. Oh, okay, maybe it is 18 inches. It is a little bit longer. Okay, I mean, I know curly hair is shorter, but that just does not look like the right length to me. Anyways, so let's check out this frontal though, because that's what I'm really here for. Bundles is bundles as far as I'm concerned, for the most part. So the frontal is 13 by 4, it's 14 inches. Okay, so this is the frontal. My first thoughts of the frontal, I actually really like it. I do like this curl pattern a lot. It does look like it matches the bundles. I have fell into the problem, like my frontal, the curl pattern is different than the curl pattern on the bundles. But looking at these two together, they look like the same curl pattern, so that's good. I really like this frontal actually. So I do like the way that the frontal is shaped, if that's the right word. Sometimes I get frontals and they're almost like, there's like no natural, I don't know, like wave, I don't know what the word is, but like the hairline is almost like straight, or there's no curvature to the frontals. And I really like this, especially for my natural hairline. It does curve a lot, like my edges come out far here, and then I have a lot of sideburns, and then my hair goes back here. So sometimes I do have problems with frontals. So I really like this. I think this would be very easy for me to work with. It does have baby hairs, and as far as it being pre-plucked, it looks like it, okay, so it is pre-plucked a little bit. Definitely not enough. You're definitely gonna need to go in if you want. If that's what you're used to, definitely I would recommend probably plucking it some more. And I would definitely bleach the knots. The knots are not bleached at all. And I would definitely need to tint this lace as well. But again, let's say I'll give you a close-up. So of course that's the back. And then this is the front. So hopefully my camera will focus a little bit. So I really do like it. Like I said, I think it might be just like very little pre-plucked, but definitely not enough. Yeah. So yeah, so that's really it. My initial thoughts, I really like the company's packaging. I think it's very cute. I think it's smart. It's different. I do like the frontal a lot. I just think I will have to work with it a little bit. I'm kind of concerned that the bundles, this one bundle is freaking so brown. Like, I wish you guys could see it. And the other bundles, I will tell you, are not like that at the ends. Maybe a little bit, but not so much. So if that's an issue for you, just letting you know, your bundles seem to be highlighted at the bottom. I don't know what's up with that. Because that brown color is not running throughout the entire like bundles. I don't know, like it's only at the ends. When I have had bundles that are like, of course, their natural color that it says, usually the brown color is throughout, and that doesn't seem to be what's happening here. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Again, it's a 2-part series. I just wanted to come on and give you my final thoughts. Well, my initial thoughts, sorry. Again, the company is Beyani Doll. Camera will focus. Okay. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and make me a wig out of this today. And next time I see you guys, it will be my final thoughts with the wig on and everything like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you at the next video. Thank you for watching. I miss you guys as always, and I will see you guys later. Bye.